Hello, this tutorial is designed to teach you how to set up your Glog. The first thing you need to do is go to glogster.edu. Go to Google and search for that. Make sure you have the edu at the end. That's the educational version. It should appear at the top of the screen, and if it does, go ahead and click on it. When you arrive on the glogster.edu website, go ahead and sign in by clicking on the login button right here. You'll need to supply your username, which they call a nickname, and your password. If you're a student, you should have received that information from your teacher. If you're a teacher, you might need to set up your own new account. Click register here in that case. But students, go ahead and log in. Once you log into Glogster, you should be on your dashboard. This is the page that lists all the Glogs that you've already created. If you've never created anything, this page will be blank. For now, you'd like to create a new Glog. After clicking the button, you'll come to a Glog that looks like it's already been started. This is just to give you a head start, and you can go ahead, we're going to go ahead and delete what's on this page and create our own. But before we do that, we'd better give it a name. For this sample, we're going to make a Glog about Sesame Street. I chose that topic because it's something most people know something about. And for this Glog, we're just going to learn how to Glog. When you get to class, you're going to have to use the information you're learning from class to build a Glog, so that'll be much harder. So I've named it Sesame Street, and now I'm going to go over here to the button that says Save or Publish. The first time you save or publish a Glog, you'll notice that you have to make some choices. Here you have another chance to make sure that your name is correct, and then go ahead and choose your category. For this particular Glog, I'm going to choose technology because it's designed to teach you how to learn to Glog. If you have some tags, you can go ahead and write them down there. That just makes your Glog more searchable. So I'm going to type Sesame Street and how to Glog. And when you're done, you have a choice of choosing finished or unfinished. This is an unfinished Glog, so we'll leave it like that and go ahead and click on Save. Now you're ready to begin editing your Glog, and so you want to choose Continue Editing. There's really not much to a Glog. Everything that you're going to do can be found on this magnet tool. Here's where you're going to make choices and add things called elements to your Glog. You can see you can add graphics, text, images that you upload, video, sound, data, but you can only do that if you have a paid account. And you can also draw if you have a paid account. And you can change the setup of the Glog wall. Those are your choices. And what you probably like is that the magnet tool slides up and down so it gets out of your way. We're going to start right now by making this Glog our own. So what we need to do is click on this, which is an element, and I can tell you this is a text element. When I click on it, you can see there's an editing toolbar that appears. There are two levels to this editing toolbar. For this case, we're going to want to delete it by hitting the trash can. But you can see there's also options to change the color, add a link, and play with the text. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and click delete, and it'll go away. And that's all there is to the basic tour of the Glog. In the next video, we're going to learn how to add elements by using the magnet toolbar. Before you sign off, make sure you save or publish, and choose Save.